Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to show you how to remove the power steering pump from the Chevy Avalanche. So we're going to use a power steering puller. I borrowed this from my local auto parts store, and you can borrow this from yours as well. So the first thing we do is, I actually have the power steering removed, but I'm just going to show it to you how to set it up in an easier way, because it's easier when it's out, and then I'll show you the clip of everything being pulled out together. So here's the actual power steering pump. This part's on the outside, so we're just gonna have it there. When you open your kit, you'll have a different amount of pieces, so I'm gonna pull everything apart just to show you. So it all comes in pieces like this. So this is a little adapter that you have to use, which sets itself on the middle of the bolt, right in the middle of this hole, which pushes everything out. So the first thing we're gonna do is push this through and thread this in here. And once that's threaded in, we're gonna take this and shove this in the middle of the hole right that. So now it's gonna sit right here like this, right? Now you take your little adapter moon pieces, whatever this is called, and this here, this ridge is gonna grip on here, while this ridge is gonna grip on here. So you're gonna put it here like this, then you're gonna grip on your ridges, then you're gonna adjust this till it gets a little tight. When it gets tight, you use your little holder here and you put it on. So now everything is secured, and then you use your wrench over here on this corner to hold it in place, and you use a socket or another wrench until turn this until the power steering pump pops out, and it's easy as lemon pie. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed that small clip, and it's really very simple to use. Also, if you had no idea what the heck I was talking about in this, and you can read and write, it comes with your own set of instructions in this kit. So it's really not that hard. A baby could do this. So I just thought I'd throw together this video to help you guys out, but sometimes people feel iffy with stuff. So anyway, that's how it is, and we're just gonna get right back to the Chevy Avalanche.